I hope it fits.
Nice! It's a scarf! I need this scarf. Thank you!
You're welcome.
I need this.
Here, put it on, Ma. See if it fits.
Yeah.
Cold.
I need this, anak. Thank you so much. You saw me always wearing my scarf, huh?
Yeah. Is there anything else?
That's all.
Well, right there. What's that right there?
Huh?
What's that behind you?
What?
No, there's a gift in the back behind the tree, Mom.
That's all I need, anak. This scarf. Candy?
I don't know. It might be breakable, so you might be careful with that.
It's a candy?
Yeah, I think it's candy, Mom.
Huh?
I think it's C's candy.
Yeah, I love these candies. These are nice cards that you got.
Can I have a piece of candy, Ma?
Yeah. I'm thinking about. I think it is what I think.
What is it, Ma?
I think it is what I think.
What is it?
iPod? I don't know how to use this at all.
You'll learn how, Mom. Here.
Oh my gosh!
Here.
It's an iPod! That's expensive, Si.
I didn't buy it, Mom.
Where did you get it?
Santa bought it. Hold on. I want you to do this.
Oh my.
I want you to do this, Mom. I want you to do this. Here. Hold on, Ma.
Oh my god.
Okay, when you hold it like this, I want you to turn it over like a page. Slowly.
Huh?
Turn it over slowly.
Oh!
Mike, you get tears on it. You can get tears on it, Mom. Don't. Show Mom. Show Mom. Show Mom. Show me the picture. Show me the picture. Show me the picture, Mom. Show me the picture, Mom. Mom, see it. This S just got real. It just got real.